What your phone is doing to your brain. Your smartphone may be the most powerful psychological device ever created, not because it makes calls, sends messages, or takes photos, but because it reshapes attention, motivation, and emotional regulation inside your brain. This is your brain on screens. Dopamine and variable reward. Every notification, swipe, and refresh activates the brain's reward circuitry, the same neural system involved in gambling and substance use. At the center of this system is dopamine, a chemical associated not with pleasure itself, but with motivation and anticipation. Dopamine spikes when your brain expects reward before you actually receive it. This is crucial. Social media is built on a principle called variable reward. Sometimes the content is boring. Sometimes it's funny, emotional, shocking, or inspiring. Because you never know what you'll see next, your brain stays engaged, not because it enjoys the content, but because it is waiting for a reward signal. This is why scrolling does not feel satisfying, but you keep doing it anyway. Your brain is not addicted to your phone, it is addicted to potential. Attention and cognitive fatigue. Your brain evolved to focus on one demanding task at a time. Screens train it to switch tasks every few seconds. Each shift takes energy. Each interruption increases cognitive load. Over time, the brain becomes conditioned for short bursts of stimulation instead of long periods of focus. This is why reading feels harder. Deep work feels exhausting. Silence feels uncomfortable. It is not because your brain is weak. It is because it learned a faster rhythm, a rhythm that values novelty over depth and speed over meaning. Reward tolerance and emotional numbing. With repeated exposure to high stimulation, dopamine sensitivity decreases. This is called tolerance. It means you need more stimulation to feel the same emotional response. Eventually, ordinary experiences feel dull, not because they changed, but because your brain did. Books feel boring. Conversations feel flat. Nature feels quiet. Pleasure grows louder. Satisfaction grows softer. The world does not lose color. Your reward system becomes desensitized. Sleep and memory damage. Screens at night suppress melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. But sleep is not simply rest. It is brain maintenance. During sleep, memories are consolidated, emotions are processed, and toxins are cleared from neural tissue. Sleep literally cleans your brain. Chronic screen use before bed weakens learning, destabilizes emotional regulation, and impairs judgment. You don't just feel tired, your brain becomes less efficient. Executive control and impulsivity. The frontal cortex controls attention, planning, and impulse regulation. The more stimulating your environment becomes, the harder this region must work to maintain control. Over time, self-regulation becomes expensive. Willpower does not disappear, it becomes fatigued. You are not broken. If you struggle to focus, you are not damaged. Your brain adapted perfectly to the conditions it was placed in, and adaptation can always run in reverse. Neuroplasticity works both ways. Neuroscience-based fixes. 3 simple changes recalibrate your nervous system. First, remove infinite scroll and autoplay. Second, delay your phone in the morning. Third, protect sleep with screen-free nights. These are not discipline tools, they are neuroscience interventions. Your attention is not small, it has simply been spent elsewhere. Your brain is plastic, your habits are trainable, and your mind can recover. Subscribe to Drawn to the Mind and take your brain back.